हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम हार्दिक मोदी, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंसल्टेंट। एंड आज हम फिर से एक बार एक ऐसे पर्सन के साथ जुड़ने जा रहे हैं कि जो लॉ के फील्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं। लेट्स वेलकम हर फर्स्ट। हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, Hardik. How are you?
आई एम ग्रेट। सो
Yeah,
आज
tell Hardik.
सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू फर्स्ट। हमारे साथ आज मिसेस केजल पखारिया जुड़े हुए हैं कि जो uh, उनका बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है एमएनसी के साथ, 7 से 8 साल का। एंड देन शी स्टार्टेड हर इंस्टीट्यूट इन द फील्ड ऑफ लॉ, और वो भी लास्ट 4 to 5 ईयर से वो लॉ के इंस्टीट्यूट रन करते हैं। सो केजल मैम, हमें ये बताइए कि अब आपके बारे में पहले तो थोड़ा बताइए, एंड हाउ यू स्टार्ट दिस लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट।
So, hi, Hardik. I'll just give you a brief about myself. So, I'm basically company secretary and LLB. I've done my law from Mumbai GLC Government Law College, and CS also I've completed all the levels, all groups in first attempt.
ओके।
So I worked after doing my CS with the MNCs, with the legal and secretarial department for around 7 to 8 years. And after my marriage, I thought of starting my own venture. So for that, I was like, okay, let me start something in the field of education because I was always inclined towards that.
ओके।
And that time in 2016, when I started this coaching classes for law, there were not many law classes in Mumbai, unlike the other metros like Delhi and Bangalore and Calcutta. So that is how I started my journey in the field of law. And when I was working as a CS, that time also I used to work part-time with some coaching classes for the law teaching.
ओके।
And since 2016, full-time I'm into law coaching classes.
ओके। सो दिस लॉ एन के लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट जो है आपका, वो कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है?
So we are based in Borivali West, very near from the station. And I'll tell you, since 2016 we have started. So currently we cover law entrance exam, both for 3 years and 5 years law,
Okay.
Maharashtra CT exam as well as CLAT, which is all India level exam for law entrance.
ओके।
And apart from that, we provide coaching to 3 years law, 5 years law, all the subjects, all means all the subjects, and LLM law entrance, LLM coaching, और उसके भी आगे जाके judiciary exams, that is JMFC exams also we provide coaching for. So we are like a law hub, beginning from the law entrance till the time either you do your LLM or you become judge, we provide coaching.
Right, right, right. So as you say we, so let us
हाँ.
tell that who are there in your team?
So basically, myself and Nidhi ma'am are there. Nidhi Jain, she is LLM and CS as well, company secretary. She has
Okay.
worked with the various law colleges as a full-time faculty for 6 years.
Okay.
And since last year, November 2018, she is in partnership with me. And currently also she works with few law colleges in Mumbai as a visiting faculty. And currently we both are there. Apart from we both, there are around 7 to 8 other professors who provide coaching for various subjects.
Right, right, right. So you already gave enough information about your entrance exam and your courses, but let give me some more information about your activities which you cover in your institute.
So what makes us different from the other law coaching classes is that apart from providing the classroom teaching, we do carry out various other optional activities, like we take our students to the courtroom visit, police station visit, and almost once in a month, some guest faculty visits our classes who can, throw light to the students on various angles, aspects of the law as a career. Like some retired judge would be coming, or practicing lawyers come, or the lawyers who are working with the corporates, they come,
Right.
or arbitrator, the person who is working as an arbitrator, like judge for arbitration
Okay.
matter comes, or the
Right.
person who is practicing in the arbitration matters, he will come and he will deliver the lecture. And so that experts of the various fields come and they guide our students.
Right.
That is one thing which makes our classes a little bit different than the other coaching classes. Another thing what I would like to throw light on is, apart from being hardcore examination oriented, we also focus a lot on the knowledge skilling. So basically, law is not only about that you give, for your to clear your entrance, your exams and all that. It's not that you score 45 and you clear it off. Law is something which you need to remember lifelong. Law is very much similar to medicine. डॉक्टर
Okay.
एक बार जो पढ़ता है एग्जाम क्लियर करने के लिए नहीं पढ़ता है, उसको थ्रू आउट द लाइफ
हाँ.
याद रखना है. सेम इज विथ
Right.
लॉ. एक सेक्शन एक बार आपने पढ़ लिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, आईपीसी का, एविडेंस एक्ट का, एग्जाम क्लियर करके आपको नेक्स्ट से भूल नहीं जाना है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट लाइफ लॉन्ग.
Life.
एंड आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट. एक बार यहाँ पे हम लोग जो सीख लेते हैं उनको नेक्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट ईयर वाले स्टूडेंट को हम लोग लास्ट ईयर में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं अबाउट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, दे आर एबल टू आंसर. They remember the case
Right,
laws,
right.
they remember the section numbers, and they know, they remember the overall thing. So we make their base very strong. And as far as our results are concerned, so we are net nearly 100% always. So एक बार student हमको join करता है, then they don't fear exam clear होगी कि नहीं होगी. We are students who come to us after who come to
Yeah.
us after getting 5 to 6 KT, and just being first time with us, they clear all the papers. जितने भी KT वेटी रहता है सब क्लियर कर देते हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस हैं.
Right.
So after that, the attitude of the student changes. No longer they come to us for just passing, but they come to us for scoring. that's the thing.
आपने जो ये बात बताई कि आप विजिट्स करवाते
हाँ.
हैं डिफरेंट और जो भी अदर एक्टिविटीज
Yes.
करवाते हैं, so it's really make you unique that just you are not providing a theoretical knowledge but you are also providing
Yes.
them a very practical knowledge which will useful for
Yes.
a lifelong. So that's really amazing.
Very true.
So yeah,
Yes.
and also you mention about like you are doing same like a doctors कि उनको भी लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रखना है. So अगर डॉक्टर की बात छिड़ी है तो अभी तो डॉक्टर्स ही सबसे ज्यादा वर्क कर रहे हैं ये कोरोना के टाइम में.
Yeah.
So
just to interrupt you, even lawyers are working very hard in this period because certain like acts like contract acts and all are concerned. कोरोना की वजह से काफी सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वगैरह ब्रीच हो रहे हैं.
okay.
तो लॉयर्स का काम 3-4 गुना बढ़ गया है.
Oh. So
एंड हाउ टू हैंडल दिस यूनिक सिचुएशन ऑफ कोरोना. तो लॉयर्स का रोल कहीं ना कहीं आ ही जाता है.
राइट. ये बहुत ही लाइक बहुत लोगों को या शायद सभी लोगों को ये बात तो पता ही नहीं होगी कि डॉक्टर के साथ साथ अभी लॉयर्स भी बहुत ही वर्क कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
really good. So जैसे ये
So
कोरोना
last year, just one more point. Last year we had one doctor who had joined us. In fact, before that, I have already provided teaching to one of the doctors. So we have doctors also as our students who,
Okay.
after doing their doctorate, are joining us to do law.
So ये जो कोरोना की सिचुएशन चल रही है तो उसमें आपका
Yeah.
जो भी एजुकेशन फील्ड है वो कैसे चल रहा है. लाइक आपका कोचिंग कंटिन्यू है या उसको कुछ ना कुछ इफेक्ट हुआ है या क्या है.
So as far as effect हुआ है तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है because we were very much prepared for the online platform.
Okay.
So from the date of lockdown, we have never compromised on our coaching. जो हम लोग क्लासरूम में पढ़ाते थे वो सब ऑनलाइन हो रहा है.
Okay.
And students are very happy with this, and students will have to be used to also with this.
Okay.
And especially हमारे जो working students हैं, we have many students who are working with various MNCs, banks and all that, who are 35-40 years old.
Okay.
उन लोग के लिए तो this is blessing because they don't have to travel. Traveling in Mumbai is really kills you. It's you
Yeah,
know.
that
So,
everyone
and
knows that.
and as I mentioned, we are in Borivali West, but our students come all the way from Churchgate, Marine Lines, Dadar,
Right.
and this side they come from Palghar, Dahanu, Virar, Vasai, and all that. And even our students come from the central line, Ghatkopar side, वहाँ से भी आते हैं. So
Okay.
it's like really blessing for them and blessing for the working students
Okay.
that घर पे बैठ के along with their work and all that they can manage our lectures because we schedule lectures little bit from their time schedule as per their time schedule.
Right. So as you say that you started providing online coaching. So what you think that classroom training is much better or online training is much better?
So Hardik, there can't be yes, no type of answer for this.
Okay.
So classroom plays its own role. We teach for the law entrance exam also, where there are logical reasoning like subjects. That is a maths as a subject and all that.
Okay.
So for that, maybe classroom training would be more preferred. Because professor has to teach on the board, so maybe classroom is more convenient. It's not like that you can't teach at all on online platform. As far as the other subjects are concerned, are theoretical subjects mostly in the law. So online coaching is as effective and equivalent like classroom training.
Okay.
And even in law, we have subject like logic 1, logic 2 in 5 years course, first and second year. So there somewhere you find the classroom is better than online. But
Okay.
since the COVID is there. I don't think so till September any colleges are going to open and all that, and so would be the coaching classes.
Okay.
So we may have to adapt to this new situation now.
Right.
Online mode.
Everyone have to adapt that situation.
Yes. Everyone.
So,
True.
yeah. So we all know that there is a big impact on the education field, and all the examinations got cancelled or postponed. So what is the news in law field about the examination?
So as far as law entrance exams are concerned, so 5-year exam which was supposed to be held on 12th of April has been now postponed to 24th of July, Friday. And
Okay.
3 years exam, entrance exam, which was supposed to be scheduled on 28th of June, is now postponed to 6th of August, Friday. But as of now, the CET cell circular mentions it very clearly that these are tentative dates. So it completely depends upon the further situation in Mumbai,
Okay.
Maharashtra about
Right.
COVID. And as far as law courses are concerned,
Hmm.
so 3 years, 5 years course, except for the final year, rest all the year students will be promoted. So no exams, they all would go to the next class. But those students who have KT left,
Hmm.
KT exams will be conducted as soon as the colleges reopen within 4 months. So no exemption to KT students. Rest all students have cleared, been promoted to next year. And final year students, the final decision has not yet been taken.
Okay.
Tentatively, their exams will be conducted.
Okay. आई थिंक जो भी स्टूडेंट्स लॉ में कुछ भी स्टडी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ये इंफॉर्मेशन काफी यूजफुल रहेगा बिकॉज आई
Yes.
थिंक एवरीवन डोंट हैविंग सच इंफॉर्मेशन सो या दैट दिस इज रियली
Yes.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सो केजल मैम लाइक व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स लाइक अभी जो भी सिचुएशन चल रही है उसमें ईच एंड एवरी बिजनेस जो है उनको ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ा है या डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म को एक्सेप्ट करना
True.
पड़ा है कहीं ना कहीं आपने भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म को एक्सेप्ट किया है बट व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स इन दिस
So we firmly believe in the blessings in disguise. So we don't see this situation as a bad or anything. We see this situation as a great opportunity. क्योंकि अभी तक हमारा रीच जो था वो वेस्टर्न लाइन में ही था दैट टू इट वाज रिलेटिवली लिमिटेड बिकॉज ट्रैवलिंग एज आई मेंशन इन द मुंबई इज रियली किलिंग
ओके
So if we are online, so we expect more and more students from across the Mumbai, like Harbour Line, Vashi and all also would be joining us because we are known for our coaching, our teaching. Students are always very happy with us. We get feedback from the parents कि मेरा बच्चा आज तक किसी भी क्लास में, स्कूल में नहीं, कॉलेज में नहीं सेटल नहीं हुआ था, उसको कोई कोचिंग क्लासेस पसंद ही नहीं थी. आपके साथ हमारा बच्चा सेटल हो चुका है. तो
Okay.
वैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे रहेंगे. So those who are not able to join us because of the distance problem.
Okay.
So no longer distance would be the hurdle.
Okay.
Secondly, what we are going to do is we are going to come on several new platforms like launching our own app and coming on the YouTube and all that.
Okay.
So even if you are not able to hear us on our given time, our lectures will be recorded and you can hear it at a later time, as per your convenience. So
Right.
that's what we are planning.
So, as you mentioned a YouTube channel, then I will recommend that, YouTube and recorded lectures will be a trend in education field and the coaching field.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah.
Yes, true. Absolutely.
So, everyone has to accept that trend and उनको सभी को YouTube है या Instagram है या जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल है बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म है कि जहाँ पे वो पूरे के पूरे कोर्स रिकॉर्ड करके प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं वो सभी प्लेटफॉर्म को सभी को एक्सेप्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा सो
Very true.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम आपका इतना इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम देने के लिए और इतनी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द लॉ एग्जामिनेशन जो बहुत ही जल्दी कंडक्ट होने वाली है जो अभी फिलहाल तो टेंटेटिव डेट है बट
Yes.
हम मान सकते हैं कि हाँ वही डेट पे एग्जाम्स ली जाएगी सो ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच मैम
Yes, you're welcome, Hardik, and thanks for this live session. And all the best to all our students. You can visit our website www.nklawclasses.com for various courses like law entrance, normal LLB, LLM, JMFC, etc. के लिए. And one more thing, those students who still are feeling like doing law, 3 years law का form filling is still open till 30th May. So don't miss this opportunity. And you can reach us anytime for any help. All the details are given. Of course, it will be posted over here also and in our website also. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Stay safe, stay home. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.